just wanna be the one you love.
Hi, what's up chellakutties? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody is doing great. So in today's video, we are going to talk about different ways to use lipstick. I know a lot of people would have experimented with this. These tips, these tricks will definitely come in hand with you. When you go out, when you forget, any one of your product. So I have used my lipstick as a contour. I have used my lipstick as a blush, as an eyeshadow, as a liner, and also as the lipstick for its sacred purpose. So yeah, let's get started with the video. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Niruthya. I try and make YouTube videos, and also I'm a makeup artist. And also don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more contents like this, don't forget to mention in the comment section. So let's get started with the video. Guys, let's just get started with the video. So for this whole look, I'm using this lip palette from Krillin. You can always use any products which you are comfortable with. So let me just get started with my base first. So for the color corrector, I'm using this green correction. For my orange corrector, I'm using this orange lipstick. So I'm just spotting wherever I have pigments. Again, I'm not using this as my regular makeup, but this is what you can do if you are in an emergency or if you have forgot to pick up few products, neutralize it. So all of a sudden you're out with your friends and you forgot to bring your orange corrector. I think not everybody will be having an orange lipstick, but if you get a palette where you have mix of a lot of shades, you will definitely find a shade which is very similar to orange, which has an orange tint in it. I didn't even have to blend it with a brush because it already did blend it itself while I was applying. So for the foundation, I'm using my regular foundation. So you can't even see that you have applied an orange lipstick as a corrector. So as you can see, I'm done with the foundation, the powdering, and setting my eyes with a primer. So now let's get down to business. So I'm going to use a very simple shade for my eyes as my lid color. It's a very mauve pink. As you can see, I'm not even using a brush, but you know, just look at how it blends itself. You don't even have to use a brush when you're using this. So yeah, so I'm just gonna blend it out. I haven't taken any product. So as my liner, let us not say liner, but I'm just going to use this as my, you know, liner, just to give that effect. Just love how it stays and how it is turning out to be. So next on to contouring. So for contouring, I'm using the deeper shade which I have. This is the darkest and deeper shade which I have as a lipstick. So I'm just gonna take this and place it where I usually contour. I know it has a pink tint. Next, I'm using a pinky pink shade for the blush. So I'm just gonna try and use this as a blush. It's too much for a blush, I think. So the final, I'm using a lipstick on my lips, the basic essence why the lipstick was found in the first place. So I'm using the shade which I've used as a liner. I like the consistency, how it has, you know, worked under my eyes, because I thought it will crease so badly. So I'm just going to finish the look right now. So hi guys, this is the final look. I have done my brows, my lashes, my inner corner highlight, my face highlight, and I think that is all I have done. So I have done my contour, my liner, my eyeshadows, my lips, my blush with the help of this lip palette. So I know not everything which I have told you in this video will definitely come in hand with you, but I think out of the things which I've told you, I think one or two will definitely will help you. And this is what I have got it from my experience. I've seen people do it, and this is not something which I sit and do it randomly. If you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like to see more contents like this, don't forget to mention in the comment section below, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also there is a small bell icon next to it. Don't forget to click it, so that every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.